most traders think you need big money to win, but I started with just $2 on pocket option. Watch closely. This tiny balance is about to explode. I'm not guessing this market. I'm using my most powerful trading bot. For download information, check the video description, and you need to know that this bot works for all binary option brokers. Once the market is selected, I connect the bot to pocket option and let it scan for the best trade setup, then click confirm. The bot is analyzing the market. Strong sell just flashed on the screen. This move could change everything. Okay, friends. So you need to know that Turbo Trend FX is specifically designed for the binary options market. This software helps traders capture trends with greater precision and confidence. By combining powerful indicators and optimized settings, this bot analyzes price movements and volume to detect high probability opportunities before the trend fully develops. And for those of you who want to download it and get full access, please check the description of this video. All right, the first trade closed in profit. My balance has increased and now I'm moving on to the next trade. Okay, friend. And that's how this session turned a small balance into profit. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.